Problem number 18 on page 773. This problem has a height of 6 feet, and from this place a ball is thrown upward, and the ball will go all the way up, and then it cannot go any more, then it will start falling down. At the same time you count time, so at this point t is 0 and the ball is here, and as t increases it goes up, then cannot go any further, t is still increasing, and then it will come back and drop on the ground here when the height is 0. So this function at any time t, what is the height from the ground, is given by c minus d minus 4t square. Now problem also gives certain data points that when time is 0, that is h0, the height is 6 feet because it's at the same height wherever it is. From the ground it is going to be 6. So this is nothing but c, because t is 0, that is going to be c minus d square. This is our one basic equation. Similarly, there is another equation for time 2.5, which is given as height of 106. No different, c minus d is not known, 2.5 times 4 is 10, and we simplify, and this is our second equation. Now we are asked to find what will be height when time is 1. So certainly if we know c and d, then we can find any height. Particularly we are interested in h1. So let's expand this. So this is c minus, and it's going to be d square minus d times 2 times, so that's going to be minus 20 d plus 100. That's going to be the square of this. And if I simplify this, and I'm going to take this out because I don't want to equate it with this, c minus d square plus 20d minus 100, and this is what our equation is now, is equal to 106. Now if you see, c minus d square is already known as 6, so can we substitute 6 here? And so what do we get? This implies that this 100 or I'll substitute this side, 6 plus 20d minus 100 is 106. So this implies 20d is, I take 100 to that side, 206, and then minus, that's going to be 200. This implies that d is 10. So I found d as 10. Now if we want h1, let's go back to this original equation. So h1 is c minus d minus 4 times 1 square. This is c minus d square minus 4 times d times 8, so that is going to be 8d, because this is minus, there is outside, that becomes plus, and 4 square is plus 16, that becomes minus 16. So now we have value of d is known, which is here, and this as a total quantity we know it is 6, so that is 6 plus 8 times 10 minus 16, so that is going to be 86 minus 16, which is 70, and the unit is going to be whatever the height, feet. So that's the answer.